Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Dogezilla on your Trust Wallet mobile app. And our first step is to acknowledge the website we're in, and that's coinmarketcap.com. Link in the description. Once you've opened coinmarketcap.com, make sure you use the search bar, which is at the top right corner of the screen, and search for Dogezilla version 2. And then once there, you simply scroll down till where you have About Dogezilla and simply click on this copy here to copy its contract address. Simply minimize your browser, open up your Trust Wallet, and once you've opened up Trust Wallet, make sure you have BNB for transactions and other tokens on the BEP20 network you can also use. Our next step is going to be clicking on this browser right here. And then once you've clicked on browser, click on PancakeSwap. And once PancakeSwap opens up, make sure your wallet is connected by using the wallet connect icon, which is here. And with that, our next step is to simply click on this cat girl, paste the address we just copied, paste, and then the token we are looking for shows up. So you simply click here and click on import. Click on understand, click on import again. And now we're going to be swapping all of our DTG for the Dogezilla token. So you simply click on enable DTG. The smart contract call comes in, click on confirm, and then proceed to make sure your slippage tolerance is set to 12%. By clicking this small pencil icon, you can use this blank space to put in 12%, 12.0, and then click on swap. Click on confirm swap. A smart contract call pops in again. Click on approve. And boom, add Dogezilla to wallet. Click on OK. And you simply close this. Head over to the wallet section. In the space of DTJ, it's actually gone now. So we should have in that space, you simply reload for a bit. And in that space, we are going to be having our Dogezilla deposited directly into our wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy Dogezilla on our Trust Wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.